Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to mine on Binance Pool very easily. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is obviously to open Binance Pool. So go on Google search and then type Binance Pool. Now make sure that the website that you are clicking on is not a phishing website. So click on Binance Pool. It should be pool.binance.com, and here you will find all the coins that you can mine. So let's say for example Bitcoin in this case. So click on Bitcoin and here you will find the network hash rate, and here you will find the mining URLs. So there are three mining URLs. Let's for example choose the first one here. So copy it and then go on to a nice hash. So go on Google and then type nice hash. Now what we will do basically, I'm gonna explain it very quickly. You see this mining URL, we are going to put it in nice hash, which is a miner that you have to download on your computer. You will give it this mining URL and other settings that I will show you later. So let's go on NiceHash for example. So of course you will have to register and make a new account, or log into your account if you have already made one, and then go on in the settings, and then once you have downloaded the app of course, go on in the settings, and then you will have to add your wallet address, that is your Bitcoin wallet address of course. So paste it here, name your worker, make the time unit, day or hour, etc. And then in the miner general configuration in the app again, you will have to choose a pool. Let's say pool 0 for example, paste the URL here, enter the worker's name here and the password, and that's it, you will begin mining on the Binance Pool. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.